Good morning, children. Today in this video, I am going to explain you about the causes of French Revolution. We have already got the reduced syllabus from ICSE. Along with this video, I am sending you the reduced syllabus also. You go through it, and whatever the chapters skipped, that one no need to prepare. So I am going to explain you about the causes of French Revolution. As in this reduced syllabus, we are not having the American War of Independence. So children, get yourself ready and watch it. French Revolution. The French Revolution was a watershed event in modern European history that began in 1789 and ended in the late 1799 CE. That means long 10 years. During this period, many significant events occurred in France. This period came to be known as the Age of Enlightenment, that promoted the ideas of religion and human freedom over tradition and religion. There occurred the rise of middle class, the printed materials and writings of philosophers like Voltaire, Montesquieu and Rousseau, and the artists encouraged political awareness, which fanned the flame of the French Revolution. The contribution of philosophers, contribution of artists, the contribution of printed materials, the middle class, all these became the major cause for the French Revolution. What was the French Revolution? The French Revolution was a milestone episode in modern European history. It came to an end to the French feudalism. It came to an end to the monarchy form of government and took political power from the Catholic Church. During this period, French citizens raised and redesigned their country's political landscape, uprooting centuries-old institutions, such as uprooting the absolute monarchy system, uprooting the feudal system, and uprooting the poor economic policies of King Louis XVI. So let us go for the causes of the French Revolution. Causes. As you know, children, France, one of the largest and richest countries in Europe, who played a key role in making of United States of America, who played a key role in making United States of America, but it was still ruled by the monarchical form of government, and the society was divided into three states. So here comes the social cause. There are three causes of French Revolution: the social causes, political causes, and economic causes, which became one of immediate cause of the French Revolution. Social cause. Let us know the social cause of French Revolution. In 18th century, children, listen attentively. You have to write each cause one as one number. Social cause. In 18th century, the France in France there prevailed feudal society under the leadership of monarchs. That means the social condition in France were extremely unequal and exploitative. The society was divided into three states: first state, second state, and third state. The first state consisted of clergy or church officials. They were exempted from paying taxes to the government. They enjoyed special rights and privileges of power and lived a life full of luxury. Aristocracy life they were maintaining. Even if they were collecting a special tax, tithe, although they were not at all monarch. Monarch was collecting taxes, separate one, but these clergy people, they were collecting a special tax, tithe, from the common people, and it was fixed to 1/10 of the agricultural produce. The second state was consisted of nobility. They also enjoyed all privileges, just like the first state, clergymen. They were also exempted from paying taxes to the monarch and at the same time to the clergy. That means they were not paying tithe, they were not paying any other tax to the monarch. They also occupied the highest ranks in civil and military administration. They were also leading a luxurious life, aristocracy life. The clergy and the nobility formed the first two states and were the most privileged classes in the French society. On the other hand, the third states, which consisted of the common people, peasants, artisans, writers, businessmen, workers, that means almost 95% of the total population belong to this state, third state. They were overburdened as they had to pay heavy taxes. Their condition was miserable. They were not having any political or social rights in the society. As a result, they were extremely discontent. They were extremely resented about this kind of social structure when they were waiting for an opportunity to raise their voice against the monarch. And when opportunity came, they started this French Revolution. So this is all about your social cause of French Revolution. Political cause of French Revolution. During the 18th century, France became the center of autocratic monarchy, and rulers enjoy unlimited power. During that time, France was ruled by Louis XVI, who believed in the authority of divine right. He gave special privileges to the first and second estate without paying any taxes, whereas heavily taxed third estate carried the burden of nobility and clergymen. Monarch, the clergy, and the nobles, they were leading a lavish style of lifestyle with the tax collected from the third estate people. There was no uniformity of law and order, and the extravagant expenditure of the rulers and their queen. Here, Louis XVI queen each Marie Antoinette, the wife of King Louis. The extravagant expenditure of the rulers, queen, this added fuel to the fire. As the inefficient monarch was not able to judge the displeasure of the third estate, he failed to take constructive steps for the welfare of the state. So this is about your political causes. Once again I am repeating so that you can memorize. There was autocratic ruler or monarchy who enjoys unlimited powers. They ruled, they were considered or regarded as the representative of God, and they were ruling in the name of divine rights. Secondly, the French monarchs, they were involved in rich and lavishness at the Versailles. Versailles, the capital place of France, where they were leading a lavish lifestyle. Third point, France became bankrupt due to the extravagant expense of monarchs and their wife. Fourth, the autocratic monarch, they could not able to handle the administration properly. That means there was poor administration prevail, and the expensive expenditure enforced them to put enforce them to put heavy tax onto the third state. So these are the different points of political causes of French Revolution. Let us come to the economic cause. France was under heavy debt because of economic bankruptcy. The third state was not able to bear the burden of more taxes. Here, listen attentively, children. To solve the economic problem of France, King Louis XVI appointed a new finance minister named Jacques Necker. The new minister wanted to bring in tax reforms with public support. Hence, he published the government finance to solve the economic issues which infuriated the first and second states, and they turned against the finance minister. The desperate king had to call the meeting, as a result of which the desperate king had to call a meeting of the States General to find the solution to the economic problem. State Generals here refers to the representative from all the states. First states, second states, third states. Before this, the members of the third state were never consulted in the decision making process. That means for the first time after a period of 175 years, first time the third states were to assemble to take a decision, but in this assembly the king failed to give a genuine representation to the third states. Genuine representation, that means how in our Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, when a bill is passed, 2/3 majority should be granted. After giving 2/3 votes, after getting 2/3 vote, 2/3 majority votes, thereafter a bill becomes a law. Similarly, here how many representatives? 1/3 representatives belong to the third state, whereas 2/3 representatives belong to the first state and second state. That means whatever they decide, that could easily become a law, and whatever the third state's member representatives they would say, that could not become a law or could not be followed because they were not having majority of representation. So that's why the third state felt cheated, as the nobles and the clergy who had the 2/3 representation refused to leave their privileges of not paying any taxes. The 1/3 representation of third states failed to provide equal rights and taxation policy to the third state, and the unjust representation led to the unrest and became the immediate cause of the revolution. So these are the causes of French Revolution. You have to write separate numbers: social causes, political causes, economic causes, or immediate causes. Thank you, children.